Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this NOCO Gen Pro onboard battery charger. This is an AC to DC smart charger that's going to quickly charge and maintain up to 4 individual 12-volt batteries. So whether you're wanting to have just a single hub where you can charge up all of your different batteries for your ATVs, boats, vehicles, whatever the case may be, this is going to do a really good job for you. This provides 40 amps of charging capacity, so that's going to be 10 amps per battery bank. This is a completely sealed, waterproof design. It's got an IP rating of 68, so it is fully submergible, so it's going to be great for your marine applications, such as your boats, trolling motors, that sort of thing, if you're wanting an onboard battery charger for that. This is tested to resist salt water corrosion, so lots of different variety of applications for this. If you have batteries that you're wanting to charge up, this is going to be a really nice option for you. This does have multiple battery profiles, so it's going to allow you to charge a variety of battery types with a capacity of up to 230 amp hours for each battery. So you've got your different kinds. So you've got a 12-volt mode here. That's going to be for your normal, like wet cell, gel cell, enhanced flooded, and maintenance free, as well as calcium type batteries. You've got your AGM setting there for your 12-volt AGM batteries and a 12-volt lithium ion setting. If you are using a lithium ion battery, you will need to have a battery management system with that. So with this system, you can charge different kinds of batteries. Just get it set up for whatever you're connected to, and it will work to charge up a lithium ion one feed and an AGM on another, and then a wet cell or gel cell, whatever the case may be. You've got a lot of variety and options here. This also has a force mode on it, so if your battery is extremely discharged below 1 volt, you can turn on that force mode, and that's going to basically just send a whole lot of power to it to help get it jump started and charged up. This does also have a recovery mode that's going to help repair your old stratified and sulfated batteries. It's got a built-in battery desulfator to help restore the lost battery capacity of some of those older batteries. So it is going to do a good job of keeping your battery healthy and getting it set up for different kinds of batteries. This does also feature a multi-stage charging algorithm that's going to help charge up your batteries about 2 times faster than your traditional chargers without overcharging the battery. So it's going to analyze your battery's condition and provide a custom charge for each battery that's hooked up to make sure that it is getting the power that it needs without charging it too quickly or overcharging it. You can see we do have all these different symbols here. These are going to be backlit when we have this plugged in. They are LED indicators, so it'll light up to show you your unit's charge status. So each battery has a 25, 50, 75, and 100% indicator there to help you know how charged up your battery is. Those modes that I was pointing out earlier also light up to let you know which mode you're on, so you can make sure that you're getting it set up for the right kind of battery that you have connected. And it's also going to have these alert LEDs down here, so it's going to be monitoring for potential performance issues or errors, and it will alert you to that, whether that's your battery voltage is too low to be detected or the voltage is too high for your selected mode, so you need to switch to a different mode, or if there's a short in your battery or your cables are connected to the wrong side, so you've got a reverse polarity situation, or if your unit temperature is either too high or too low, those will light up so that you can tell what's going wrong and you can fix it. Each connection to our battery is going to have these 3/8 inch eyelets connectors that will have a nice firm connection to your terminals so that you're getting maximum contact and transfer power. Each one is also going to have a 15 amp fuse here to help protect your electronics from any overloads. So each cable is about 72 inches long, so it's going to give you quite a bit of variety to space those out, get those connected depending on your setup, whether you're just hooking up to a single battery bank where each batteries individual, or if you're wanting to get hooked up to different applications, you're going to have a lot of options there. And then our AC cable, just going to plug right into your wall charger. This is a 72-inch cable as well, so you can use an extension cord if you're got this mounted on a boat or a trailer. I would recommend maybe considering the NOCO AC port plug, which would permanently mount onto your application, whether that's your boat or your trailer, on the outside, and then it has that extension cord that would run inside, so you can just leave that plugged in permanently. So then you just take your extension cord and plug it into that outside plug, and it charges up your system rather than having to run that extension cord into your boat or battery box, wherever it is. It's just a little option there depending on your application that might make it a little bit more convenient for you. As far as our dimensions go, this is right at 11 3/8 of an inch wide. The height I measured to where these cables are going to bend. Obviously, you don't want to cause that to bend too much, could damage your cable. So I measured from an approximate bend point there that's not too harsh all the way back. It's about 10 inches in height. So make sure that where you're installing this, you'll have that much room so your cables can be put in place without damaging them. And then our thickness for our box here, it's just shy of 3 inches, about 2 7/8 of an inch tall. So it shouldn't be too difficult to get this installed. They do include a couple of screws for you, and you can see you've got those slits on the side there that those screws will mount in place to hold this wherever it is that you're wanting to mount it, so that you have easy access to your batteries. So really nice option, especially if you do have 4 individual batteries that you're wanting to charge up, whether that's in your battery bank or, like I said, with having different ATVs, motorcycles, that sort of thing that you're wanting to get all connected and just have a central hub where you can charge up all those batteries at once. This is going to be a really nice option for you. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.